This evening's health report, consultant neurologist Dr. Francine Gale cautions about increased stroke risks during the holiday season. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
The health report is brought to you by
Tetley Super Teas, packed with vitamins and chamomile to calm you down.
A stroke occurs when blood flow to the brain is interrupted, leading to potential long-term disability or death. Consultant neurologist Dr. Francine Gale warns that during the Christmas season, increased alcohol consumption, often combined with smoking, vaping, or energy drinks, can significantly raise the risk of stroke.
So with the energy drinks, it's quite, I think individuals are misinformed. So the doses, for example, of caffeine that are in these energy drinks are super high. And they're oftentimes combined with alcohol. They're oftentimes combined with drugs. And what happens is that you have a sudden rise in your blood pressure to astronomical heights.
Symptoms include sudden dizziness, vision changes, facial drooping, arm weakness, and slurred speech.
So with the rapidly elevated blood pressure, the very fragile, small blood vessels that are deep within the brain, they cannot tolerate those excessive blood pressures. And so they burst, leading to a bleed within the brain. And as you know, there are two types of stroke, either a bleed, which is called a hemorrhage, or a blood clot, which blocks a blood vessel and therefore leads to what's called an infarction, both of which are deadly.
The condition can affect all ages, but young men in their 20s are particularly at risk. Treatment is most effective the sooner a person reaches a medical facility.
If you make it to the hospital within 4.5 hours of the onset of a stroke, and it's a blood clot stroke, there is the possibility of reversing the signs and symptoms by using a very powerful drug. Now, if you don't make it in time, you will have a disability from your stroke.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.